Oh, kami dyan, kasi ano to, that is raw materials ang pinag-usapan natin guys. It's the other agencies who were in charge for that, in developing climate resilient varieties perhaps, so pili or baka. So, but ano to, that is what we are advocating. Kasi yun nga, how can we sustain our efforts sa DTI kung walang magsusupply ng raw material? So, that's why we are really advocating for this climate resilient varieties, let's say baka o pili. Pero ano to, kahapon we were at Muraba Foundation. And I'm so glad that Muraba Foundation is here into cacao production. Muraba is not inclined on planting cacao trees other than the local variety that is resilient in Bicol. Yung yung Creole, cacao Creole nila na variety. That dito lang yun sa Bicol matatagpuan. And yun ang pinapatanim ni Muraba. Kasi hindi siya nagpapatanim ng ibang variety because he knows that this variety is siguro typhoid resistant. Heirloom. So, those simple initiatives, I think pag dugtong-dugtong natin yun, nag-group natin yun, we'll produce something in the future. But as of the moment, maganda sana kung nag-evaluate pa yung ating Regional Inclusive Innovation Center, the RIC. Because primarily, RIC was brought to Bicol. Because our plan din, tayo pa ni R.D. Joy Blanco, was to make pili, to bear fruit like an apple. Ganito pala na shrub, namumunga na yung pili. To sustain nga yung demand ng raw material. Pero wala pang scientist na nakaka-develop ng pili variety na that they bear fruit previously year-round. Kasi seasonal din ang pili. So yun ating yun ang may pinapangarap until now natin sa ATI.